In this video, we're going to show you how to make aloe and cucumber cold pressed soap bars using the Tallow Best White, a long-lasting, rich bar with creamy leather. Let's get started. Put on your safety goggles and gloves, then pre-weigh out all your ingredients. Now we're going to prepare the lye solution. Pour 240 grams of pre-weighed water into your heat-proof jug, then slowly add the 114 grams of sodium hydroxide while whisking carefully. Continue stirring until the sodium hydroxide is fully dissolved, then place the jug somewhere safe and allow the solution to cool. Then, in a large heat-proof bowl, 280 grams of olive oil, 40 grams of castor oil, and 240 grams of coconut oil, and 240 grams of Tallow Best White. Warm them until everything is melted and the mixture is smooth. Once both the oils and lye solution is cooled, slowly pour the lye solution into the oils. Using a stick blender, pulse in short bursts, alternating with stirring. Continue blending until the mixture is thickened slightly. This stage is known as light trace, where the soap batter begins to leave a faint trail on the surface. Next, prepare your colour. Mix 2 to 3 grams of titanium dioxide with 2 to 3 grams of oil or water to prevent clumping. Then stir into the soap. Now add 24 grams of aloe and cucumber fragrance oil and blend briefly to fully incorporate into the mixture. Now carefully pour the soap batter into your mould. Once poured, gently tap the mould onto the work surface to release any trapped air bubbles. Cover the mould and leave the soap to sit undisturbed for 20 to 48 hours. Once the soap has fully set, remove it from the mould and cut into bars. Place the bars in a cool, dry area with good airflow and allow them to cure to 4 to 6 weeks. And that's it. Your aloe and cucumber tallow soap bar is ready to use. If you've enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more soap making videos.